Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hani Eka Nur Aprilia from the Department of Communication Science. NIM 44 24 11 IC 5. Class 44 1D 1. I will give my opinion about smoking in campus area. In my opinion, smoking in the campus area is very inappropriate because the campus is still a place for students to study, and if other people see it, it is also inappropriate because we as students still carry the name of our university. Having a prohibition on students not to smoke on campus is very appropriate because students are better able to differentiate between campus areas for studying and smoking areas. Maybe if students want to smoke, I suggest they stay outside the campus area so that students are more disciplined in the campus regulation and maintain the good name of the university. So, students are expected to always obey the rules and differentiate between places when you went to smoke. That's my opinion about smoking in campus area. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hania Kanura Aprilia, NIM 44 24 11 IC 5, class 44 1D 1. Simple present. Simple present tense is one of several forms of present tense in English. This tense is used to describe habit, you changing situation, general truth, and visit schedules. The simple present tense is very easy to form. Just use the base word of the verb. I take, you take, we take, they take. The third person singular form uses the end of the base word. He takes, the takes. Characteristic of simple present tense sentences. 1. The predicate in a simple present tense sentence is in the form of a bare infinitive. The meaning of this form is that the third person verb in this sentence ends with a letter s, us, or is. 2. If in the from a verbal sentence there is an interrogative sentence, then you have to add the word do, does. Then add a subject may will. Non-verbal sentence begin with to be, am, are, is. 3. In simple present tense sentence with negative form, need to add word do not, don't, or does not, does. If there is a verb that and is as, us, is, it must be removed. Simple present tense fiction. 1. Express emotion, feeling. The first, the first function of a simple present tense is to express an expression or feeling. 2. Command, instruction. Function to express command or instruction. 3. The scheduled event. To declare an event that will be held in the near future. 4. General truth. To reveal a truth that is around us. 5. Prepared action. To show active or actives carried out in daily life. Simple present tense formula. The simple present tense is divided into verbal simple present and nominal simple present. Verbal simple present, the suffix s in the verb only used on the subject he, she, and it. In adding the s suffix, there are rules. Nominal simple present. To be am used for subject I. To be is used for subject he, she, it. To be are used for subject I, you, they, we. Simple present tense pattern. I. Verbal simple present tense. Subject plus verb 1 plus s us plus complement. Mean subject plus do, does not plus verb 1 plus complement. Do, does, verb, subject plus verb 1 plus complement. Example, she goes to school every day. She does go to school every day. Does she to school every day? B. Nominal simple present tense. Subject plus to be plus complement. Subject plus to be plus not plus complement. To be plus subject plus complement. Example, I am an international school student. She is not an international school student. Is she an international school student? Simple past tense affirmative formula. Positive from. There are several formula used to form simple past tense sentence. 1. Positive simple past tense verbal formula. Subject verb plus verb to plus complement. 2. Simple past tense positive nominal tense formula. Subject plus to be, was, were, plus complement. Example of positive simple past tense. 1. Les won the best winter last year. Rudy went to Jakarta yesterday for a job interview. 3. Moved to Bali. 4. They were happy to have chicken for dinner. 5. I was in Tokyo last week. Negative simple past tense formula. To form simple past tense negative sentence. 1. Negative verbal formula. Simple past tense. Subject plus I did plus not plus verb 1. 2. Simple past tense negative nominal formula. Subject plus to be, was, were, plus not. Example of negative simple past sentence. 1. Lies did win the best winter last year. Rudy did go to Jakarta for a job interview yesterday. 3. We did move to Bali. 4. They were happy to have chicken for dinner. 5. I was in Tokyo this morning. I was in Kyoto. Simple past tense formula question form. Question in simple past tense from using formula. 1. Simple past tense interrogative verbal formula. Did plus subject plus verb 1. 2. Simple past interrogative nominal tense formula. We, were, plus subject. The following is an example of a simple past tense interrogative sentence. 1. Did Liz with the best weather last year? 2. Did Rudy go to Jakarta for a job interview yesterday? 3. Did we move to Bali? 4. Were they happy to have chicken for dinner? 5. Were you in Tokyo this morning? Regular verb and irregular verb. In English, there are two types of verb change based on time, namely regular verb, which means regular verb, and irregular verb, which means irregular verb. Regular verb. In the verb, every verb always has the ending at and the ade or it after the basis pair of first form of the first verb. 1. If the verb end in a, just add the form. Example, the simple past tense of movie become moved. 2. If the verb end in a consonants, just add a, for example, from jump to jumped. 3. For verb ending in ye usually changes to I if it follow a consonant. The add a, for example, from cry to cried. Regular verb in simple past tense. Example of regular verb in a sentence. 1. Say moved to the other division. 2. I did dump a banana peel into the trash. 3. Did the baby cry last night? Irregular verb in accordance with the meaning, namely irregular verb, then this verb changes from the verb from. However, irregular verbs are divided into three types. You can divide them by 1. Verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3 do not have the same form. 2. Verb 2 and verb 3 do not change for verb 1 and nothing is added at the end of the word. 3. Verb 2 and verb 2 and verb 3 have the same form but are different verb 1. Example of sentence that use irregular verb are as follow. She filled the bag yesterday. The did hurt the cat last night. The she kept the money last week. Thank you.